The liver is an incredibly important organ that plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. It acts as a filter, processing nutrients, drugs, and toxins that enter our body. Taking care of our liver should be a top priority, and one way to do that is by incorporating specific foods into our diet that promote liver health. In this video, we will explore the best foods for liver health and why they are beneficial. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are excellent choices when it comes to supporting liver health. These vegetables are rich in glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that help the liver produce enzymes to detoxify and eliminate harmful substances from the body. Additionally, they contain high levels of fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver. Broccoli is not only a good source of glucosinolates but also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Adding broccoli to your meals can provide additional protection against liver cancer. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that supports liver health. It is rich in indole-3 carbonyl, a compound that helps the liver metabolize estrogen and reduce the risk of hormone-related liver diseases. Brussels sprouts are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them a great choice for liver health. Antioxidants help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, while fiber aids in digestion and prevents constipation, which can contribute to liver problems. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for the liver. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote optimal liver function. These fatty acids can also help prevent the buildup of excess fat in the liver, reducing the risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet a few times per week can have a significant impact on liver health. Fatty fish are also excellent sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to liver diseases such as hepatitis and liver fibrosis. Sardines are another type of fatty fish that can benefit liver health. They are rich in a compound called taurine, which has been shown to protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Green tea. Green tea has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, and liver health is no exception. It is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to protect the liver from inflammation, oxidative stress, and the accumulation of fat. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a reduced risk of liver diseases such as liver cancer and cirrhosis. Green tea also contains a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, which has been shown to have antifibrotic properties. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to dishes but also offers significant benefits to liver health. It contains compounds like allicin and selenium, which aid in liver detoxification and protect liver cells from damage. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce liver inflammation and improve overall liver function. Allicin, the main active compound found in garlic, has been shown to have antimicrobial properties. This can help protect the liver from bacterial or viral infections, which can lead to liver damage if left untreated. Selenium, another beneficial compound in garlic, is an essential mineral that plays a role in antioxidant defense. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the liver, reducing the risk of oxidative stress-related liver diseases. Walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of healthy fats, antioxidants, and amino acids, making them a great choice for liver health. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy liver. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that supports liver detoxification and ammonia removal. Walnuts are also packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine and has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin has been shown to alleviate liver damage, protect against liver fibrosis, and even inhibit the growth of liver cancer cells. Curcumin has also been found to stimulate the production of bile by the liver. Bile aids in the digestion and absorption of fats, contributing to overall liver health. Curcumin's anti-cancer properties make turmeric a valuable addition to a liver protective diet. It has been shown to inhibit the growth of liver cancer cells and induce apoptosis, a process that leads to the death of cancer cells. When it comes to maintaining optimal liver health, it is essential to pay attention to the foods we consume. Remember that a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are all crucial factors in ensuring optimal liver health. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching and remember to stay healthy.